guys! Kamusta? So, today we're gonna continue our discussion about percentage taxes. I know medyo na-miss natin ang last part, but hopefully damo kita makuha today about life insurance and agents of foreign insurance. And today guys, I know there's a lot of words na mo itatunan, but please bear with me as we go through sa ating notes and kabay pa damo kita ma-learn today. Okay guys, let's start. Life insurance companies and agents of foreign insurance. Ang tandaan din natin guys, ang percentage tax, basta gani ginatawag na life insurance. So in the Philippines, mayroon ito life and non-life insurance. Okay? So i-discuss natin today ang subject sa percentage tax, which is ang life insurance business there is sa Philippines. Okay? Ang percentage na, di ba, mayroon ito special percentage tax. So 2% on premiums collected. Okay? Mga insurance companies. May exemption na that guys, except tandaan natin purely cooperative companies or associations. Ano na siyang purely cooperative? So mag-jump kita sa definition. Okay, cooperative companies or associations are those conducted by the members thereof with the money collected from among themselves and solely for their own protection. Tandaan natin, for their own protection and not for profit. So, kumbaga, hindi siya business. Okay? Hindi sila engaged in business but for their own protection sa mga members ng co-op or organization. Okay? Amo lang na ang diri ang very critical na ito nga dapat tandaan. By definition, subject tanan nga non-life except cooperative companies or association for their protection and their not for profit. Wala sila engage into business para maka-profit. Okay? A life insurance company is a company which deals with insurance of human lives. Okay? Sa mga accidents, sa mga bodily injured. So, damo-damo na klaseng life insurance. Okay? The service likewise includes soliciting group insurance and health accident insurance policies, which the company is nevertheless authorized to pursue as part of its business activity. So, di ba, ang purpose ng insurance is in case of mga uncertainties, sila yung masalo sa isa ka company, no? In case na may mga injuries na health and accident insurance underwritten by life insurance companies are subject to the premiums tax. However, premiums on health and accident insurance underwritten by non-life insurance are, basta gani non-life, guys, batable na. Kung life lang, life insurance, hindi siya batable kundi subject to 2% percentage tax. Okay. Next natin nga tandaan guys, during the mga enumeration or theory, ari ang example sa mga gross receipts of insurance companies nga wala na include dere. Okay? The following shall not be included in gross receipts of an insurance company. Hindi siya upod. Premiums refunded within 6 months. Premiums refunded within 6 months. After payment on account of rejection of risk, return for other reasons. So, mga premiums nga yung refund sa claim within 6 months. So, hindi siya part. Siyempre, refund mo na, di ba? Dito sa mga gina-insure mo nga company. So, hindi siya upo dito. Right? Reinsurance premium. Okay. Mga reinsurance, of course, yung reinsure mo lang ng mga premiums. Letter C, premiums from life insurance of non-resident na. Tandaan natin, non-resident receive from abroad by branches of domestic corporation, firm, or association doing business outside the Philippines. So, ang keyword is non-resident. Okay? Life insurance of non-residents received from abroad. So, hindi siya upod diri sa gross receipts ng insurance company diri sa Philippines. And letter D, excess premiums on variable contracts in excess of the amounts necessary to insure the lives of the variable contract owners. Okay. Amali ko ang mga refunded premiums, di ba? Number 1 to baba, are certainly not receipts. Siyempre, refund na siya gani, di ba? Excluded from tax base. So, hindi siya tax base ang 2%. 2%. Premiums on life insurance of non-residents, non-residents, purchase abroad constitute an exempt foreign consumption. Siyempre dito nag-consummate sa transaction nila sa buwa. So ma-treat na siya as exempt foreign consumption. Furthermore, the excess of variable contracts over the life insurance premium represents investments rather than premiums. So variable contracts, variable meaning the vary siya, change ang amounts naton sa usual premium. So, in excess to that, na gina-contribute sa company sa insurer or sa mga insurance partners nila, sort of investment siya. Okay. There are 3 types of insurance business in the Philippines: direct, insurers, and retrocessionaires. Okay. Discuss na later. But so in a simple term, ang direct insurance, na siya siyempre underwrites insurance policy and negotiates them to policy holders through insurance agents. So, every insurance mayroon, di ba nga, representative or ang tawag insurance agents. Okay? Na gusto yung company. Ang reinsurers naman, ang insurers of insurers. Okay? So, aside from insurance company, meron pa rin siya nga mga insurers. Okay? Retrocessionaires, insurers of reinsurers. The 3rd level siya. First level, A. Second level, tapos ang insure, sangga reinsure. Redundant, no? Retrocessionaire. Upon collection of the premium by direct insurer, 2% premium tax for life insurance policies or VAT for non-life insurance. Okay. When insurers cede part of this premium to reinsurers, it should not be taxed again. So, ang ginataxan lang guys ang direct insurer na 2%. Otherwise, double taxation occurs. Kita niyo sa baba. Ang ginataxan din ang letter A lang. Okay? Ang B card C wala na. Kaya siyempre, sila lang ang sa first transaction, madoble na karoon ng tax nila. Pag-abot B card diri. So, double taxation. Kaya nature sang item, same lang. Okay? Isa mo lang ka premium ang gina-istoryan diri. Ang bayad sa saka gina-insure nila na company. So, as we discussed kanina sa definition, cooperative companies or association, ang lang yung tandaan natin. Ang purpose nila is protection sa mga members and not for profit. Okay? Again, another exemption, except for crop insurance. Siyempre, crop insurance hindi na life. So, non-life na. Siyempre, batable siya. Okay? Non-life insurance includes surety, fidelity, indemnity, bonding companies, marine fire, and casualty insurance. So, ano siya ang examples ng non-life. Non-life, again, is batable. Okay? Non-life, batable siya. Okay? Okay. Okay, to illustrate our first discussion, nara ito diri example, no? Absolute Insurance underwrites both life and non-life insurance policies. The following were premiums collected in a month. So, 2.9 for life policies, ano ni siya, cash collections, checks, promissory notes, and non-life naman na 2.5. So, paano kita mag-compute sa percentage tax? Again, lagan ka percent, 2% no, on premiums collected. Premiums lang naton nga i-computan dire. Okay. So, cash collections, checks, promissory notes. So, again, ang non-life gani, batable. Ang life naman is non-batable. That is why, ang basis naton sa percentage tax naton is 2.9 for the life policy lang. Okay? Only in the case of life insurance that a promissory note is exemptionally included as part of gross receipts for the purposes of computing the premium tax. So regardless kung anong type of collection siya, promissory note man siya, upod man siya gapon sa pag-compute sang percentage taxes. Okay? Non-life insurance is batable. The gross receipts of non-life business do not include promissory note. So, hindi siya upod sa promissory note. Only the 1.5 and the 600,000. Okay, again, another illustration, si Finoy, reinsurance. So, mali ang transaction niya? Reinsurance, retroceded, and retention. Okay, commission from retroceded reinsurance contracts. Ang bal naton, ang reinsurance, di ba, sa babaw, wala na diya tax. Kay karon na double taxation na sila. Okay. So in short, reinsurance premium is exempt from premiums tax as it is already subjected to premium tax on the ceding, kumbaga on the first or insurance company, no? The payment of retrocession premium to the foreign insurer is subject to withholding VAT. Okay, withholding VAT naman siya because this is purchase of the insurance service from a non-resident carrier, foreign retrocessionaire. Insurance commission or insurance commission, whether life or non-life, is vatable. So, di ba, ambal natin kanina, life insurance is subject to percentage tax. For non-life insurance naman, vatable siya. Okay? So, in case naman sa insurance commission or reinsurance commission, okay, whether life or non-life, line ng nature yan. So, it's a vatable. Okay, another example, Sierra Insurance Philippines offers life insurance and variable insurance products. The following relates to its monthly receipts. Total premiums, 2 million, tapos may insurance charges, 5M. Ang variable life plans naman is 8 million. The premiums tax shall be computed as follows. Total premiums sa life na to is 2 million. Insurance charges on variable life plans na to. Ang bala natin, di ba, in form of investment na niya, ang excess, basta variable gani, ang 3 million, investment na. So, kumbaga, insurance charges, ang malang sa ito nga tax base for the purpose of computing the premiums tax. The credits to clients sa clients constitute clients investment. Okay. Taxation of other receipts of life insurance business. So, renewal or reinsurance, fee, reinstatement, fee, and penalties. These are considered incidental to or connected to insurance policy contracts and are akin to premium, hence subject to premiums tax. So, magsiling kita nga renewal. Siyempre, renew mo the following year or the insurance. So, doon ka lang sa mga contract with insurance company. So, subject siya sa 2% premiums tax. What about management fees, rental income, or other income from unrelated services? So, hindi siya related sa kumbaga sa insurance mismo. Although mayroon siyang bayad for that life insurance na negosyo, part siya sa payments ng company pero hindi siya part sa premium. Okay? Hindi siya part, kumbaga, pang bayad na sa mga agents, mga taong, management fees, rental income. So, it's a different nature niya. So, batable siya. Okay? Investment income. If the investment income is realized when the investment of premiums earned, it is exempt. Note that premiums which had been the source of the funds invested had already been subject to 2% premium tax. So, ang keyword din is investment of premiums earned. Exempt siya. So, ang ginabayaran lang din natin, ginasubject natin sa percentage tax, isang related lang sa premiums mismo na bayad sa company. So, ang premiums na invest ng company dito sa insurance company, nag-earn siya, okay? Nahin mo siya investment, di ba? Ano na yan ang style sa insurance. Once magbayad kayo sa insurance, ang payment mo, ginaparolling ko nila or gina-invest nila para mag-earn siya. So, what will happen when nag-earn siya? Ang earnings, it became, exempted na yung mga earnings natin. Only, ang premiums ang taxable dito sa insurer. Since na-tax na ang premium 2%, no need na. No need na to tax it again. If investment income is realized from the investment of fund obtained from others, it is considered income from quasi-banking. So it's not, daw banking siya, na-earn siya dito sa investment of funds, hence subject to the gross receipt tax imposed on non-bank financial intermediaries. Okay, again, liwasan ko. If investment income is realized from the investment of funds obtained from others, it is considered income from quasi-banking, hence subject to the gross receipt tax. Gross receipt tax naman, o GRT ang balayaran sa insurance company na nag-invest. So, investment income, non-bank financial intermediaries. The investment income that cannot be specifically identified, so key term, hindi ma-identify as coming from invested premiums or borrowed funds, shall be apportioned based on total premiums earned for the month in the liability account balance. Okay. In short, kung ang investment ko sa isa ka insurance company, okay, nag-earn, diba? Hindi siya ma-identify. So, apportion or proportionate siya sa total premiums earned, mga na-earned, versus sa the liability account, mga unearned. So, in short, earned and unearned. So, ang earned income na, di ba? Ang unearned, stay na siya sa liability account. So, gina-apportion. Okay? So, to summarize, ang tax rules sa insurance dito sa Philippines, no? So, ang naka-enclose na din, Republic of the Philippines, and din naman, foreign insurers. Okay. Diyan, domestic resident life insurer. Okay, ang insured, example, various companies. Ano na gina-insure nila? Okay, kung magbayad ang insured company dire sa life insurer, okay, 2% na ang tax, no? Premium tax na balayran sang naka-receive sang, of course, ang ginamit di ang life insurer na company. Sila mabayad, hindi ang insured. Okay? Then, ang reinsurer, dire naman siya ang may binding contract with the life insurer. So, 0. Ito siyempre, na-tax na 2%. So, pag-abot sa year, as a reinsured company, wala sila bayaran. Okay. What about the foreign insurer? So, mayroon, makita nyo na ito na example insured. Tapos, insured company nga dito sa Philippines, nagkwa-ulit kuya sa foreign insurer. So, ang balayran, yung foreign insurer is 5%. Okay, percentage tax ang balayran niya. Okay, what about kung may middle person or may agent na dito sa Philippines representing the foreign insurer, 4% naman yung premium tax. Okay, amo natin itong lahat. Okay, may 2, may 4, and may 5. Okay. Also, to summarize, no, life insurance, 2% ang balayran, wherein sa life, non-life naman, vatable na. Okay. Sa reinsurance naman, yung premium, ay siya, yung reinsurance, exempt na sila okay, because it will cause double taxation. Pinatax na din sila sa diba? Insurance commission naman, both are vatable because sa ato na previous discussion kanina, kung once yan nga commission ang ginistoryan, insurance commission, kumbaga luwas sa insurance premium, okay, it's a different in context, no? Commission ka ang premium. Lain ang nature niya. So, both are vatable siya. Okay? Sa life and non-life. Okay. Next part sa ating discussion, tax on agents of foreign insurance. Okay. Under Section 124 of NIRC, fire, marine, or miscellaneous insurance agents authorized under Insurance Code of the Philippines, located, is equal to twice the tax imposed on life insurance premium. So, twice kuno. So, equal to twice tax imposed on insurance premium. Filatory na, usual. Diba, 2%. So, kung twice, 4 siya. No? RA 10001 reduce the tax on life insurance premium from 5 to 2%. Therefore, the tax on agents of foreign insurance is 4% now. Okay? Direct insurance from abroad. So, kung direct insurance from abroad, ang balapod sa ginamit rate is, kung direct insurance, direct from foreign to insured, 5% percentage tax nila. Okay? To illustrate, no? Sa nga mga concept. Bang Pandoy insured his buildings with a foreign insurer. He paid 150 premiums or pesos premiums during the month. So, si Mang Pandoy shall report that transaction to the Insurance Commission and the BIR and pay the 7,500 premiums tax. Okay? 150,000 times 5% to the BIR. This transaction should be subject to withholding VAT, but the same is specifically subjected to percentage tax. So, in this case, si Mang Pandoy, since nag-transact siya sa foreign insurer, siya mabayad sa, i-report niya sa Insurance Commission kung sa BIR, pag ma-pay siya sa 7,500, that's 5% sang 150,000 to the BIR. Okay. Number 8. Hopefully, clear man, no? It's self-explanatory man ang yung definition dire. Explanation niya for this illustration. So, the transaction should be subject to the withholding VAT, but the same is specifically subjected to percentage tax. Okay. Number 8, telephone companies on overseas communication. So, the overseas dispatch, message, or conversation transmitted from the Philippines by telephone, telegraph, telewriter, exchange, wireless and other communication equipment services subject to, tanda natin, 10% percentage tax. Okay? Lagi na, ang natunaan natin, di ba? 2, 5, okay, ano niya siya, no? 2, may 0 pa ganyan, 4, 5, and sa telephone companies naman, 10%. Okay. So, ano na siya? This percentage tax is commonly referred to as overseas. Mga overseas communication tax. So, to summarize ang business tax rules sa communication, kung ang call natin halin sa Philippines, so, within the Philippines lang, subject siya sa 12% VAT. So, kung abroad naman, pato sa Philippines, 0%. Okay? Subject to zero rating requirements. If not met, receipt is exempt. Okay. Diri naman kita sa rulings. In general, tandaan natin, in general, subject to zero rating requirements. Kung wala na met ang requirements, balik dito sa exempt. So, tax exemption. So, Philippines, otherwise, kung ang call is halin sa Philippines, baka to abroad, subject siya sa 10% overseas communication tax. Okay. To illustrate, okay, Quick Telecom had the following receipts during the quarter. So, ang call natin, origin is Philippines, para sa Philippines, amount collected, natin, subject to 12% VAT on 20 million. Okay? So, ang ginapakita din how much ang communication tax. So, syempre, ang from the Philippines to abroad lang. So, that's 5 million times natin how much? 10%. Okay. Overseas communication tax. Ano na yan nga? Tax due. So, 500,000. So, may exemption man kita. Okay? For this item. For these telephone companies on overseas. Kung ang gobyerno nag-call, political jurisdiction, ano na siya ang exempted. Number 2, diplomatic services. Embassies naton and consular offices. All foreign governments na dirigasting sa Philippines, so exempted siya. Okay, kung mag-call sila from Philippines to abroad. International organization. Those enjoying privileges, exemptions, and immunities under international agreement. So, specifically stated din na ihapon yung international agreement kita. For news services, exempted man. Okay. High-halay or horse race on winnings. Okay. How much? Okay, meron kita nga 10%, meron kita nga 4, meron kita nga 10 ulit. For this specific, no? Kinangyanin natin actually sa ulo. Winnings on horse race. In general, 10. Yung special dira is 4. Double, forecast, kinela, and trifecta bets. Kung wala nyo ganun na state, mo nga line, okay? 10% siya automatic. Okay. Note, types of race winnings. Meron kang combination bets, meron kang straight wager. So, you just have to go over with it. Some definition about sa karera, no? Sa kabayo. Okay. Tax on winnings. Ang balaton, 10% siya, diba? Tax sa winnings, in general, 4 ang special. Okay. The payout on combination bets is subject to, so kung combination bets daw, subject to 4% on the net winnings. So kung straight wagers naman, 10%. Okay? Tapos lang, no? Combination, so naman siya, example, how much ang percentage sila, syempre 4. So kung straight wagers naman, 10. Okay. The tax shall be deducted from dividend. The corresponding page winning ticket or the price. So, gina-minus lang siya. The tax shall be paid within 20 days from the date it is withheld. Okay. Si Gambi Hippodrome operates a racetrack that had the following dividends for winning tickets during the event. So, amang siya ang iyang illustration. So, when we define or when we analyze the problem, check natin kung saan din siya nabilong. Is it a combination bet or is it a straight wager? Okay. Win, place, and show. Example. No? Winning horses. Net winning on straight bets. Okay. So, ang 80,000, ano siya? Total winnings on straight bets. Ang 80,000, di ba? Kung straight bets, straight wager. So, cost of winning tickets is 10,000. May cost siya. So, in-net mo siya. 70. So, ano siya? Straight wager. Okay? So, that's why diri siya sa dalong. 80,000 less 10,000. Total winnings in daily double, forecast, and pinila. So, daily double, ano siya? Forecast, and pinila. So, it's a combination bets. So, subject to 4%. Okay, isang net man yapon. Okay? 40,000 less mo sang 600 na post mo. So, dali siya sa 4%. Okay. What about a winner of trifecta? So, winner sang trifecta is part sang, ano siya, trifecta, combination bets. So, mag-combination bets kita, okay, trifecta, part man siya sang 4% or combination bets, hindi siya ma-fall sa 4%. Okay? 69 ang net. Okay? Panundong mo na itong term, net sang cost of winning. Okay? Ang 80,000 natin na siya, no? Price of winning tickets is 100,000. Of course, ano na siya? Straight wager. Win, place, and show. Okay. The net payout of Gambi Hippodrome on the prices win shall be total prices and winning dividends 250, addition 250, less on percentage tax on winnings. So, less mo siya. Net payout to winners. Ako man yung mabiling na i-apply sa mga winners. Naka-less ang atong percentage. Okay. Net winnings. So, si Mrs. Petra hit the trifecta with a payout of 58,000 from her 100 pesos na ticket. Okay? Which she will receive. She will receive, no? From her winning. Okay. Total winning is 58,000. I-less na ito, di ba? Net siya. Kung trifecta, combination bet siya. Okay. Parts and combination bets. Na trifecta. So, 4% ang iyang percentage tax. So, net payout is 55,684. Okay. Operator of Hayalay or horse race. On a particular event, an operator of Hayalay reported a total sales of 1 million from some mga bets. There was a total of 650 total winnings. So, 10 wins, straight wager siya. The cost of winning pits was 50,000. Okay, less mo lang 650, less mo 50,000. Ama na siyang subject to percentage tax. Ang 1 million na receipt sa din sa hardware shall be subject to amusement. Okay? Ang 30%, diba? Ang amusement natin na tax, 30% na ang previous natin na discussion. Okay, the percentage tax on winnings is an additional amusement tax. So, on top of 30%, may bayaran pa rin sila ng 10% na percentage tax on winnings. Okay, net siya. This is in addition to those imposed on the receipts of operator. Okay? Summary of specific percentage taxes. So, banks and financial intermediaries, ang tawag sila ng tax is GRT, Gross Receipts Tax. So, meron ka 5, meron ka 1, meron ka 7. So, you just go back sa ating previous discussion on this. International carriers, 3, pareho sila sa common carrier. So, lain-lain lang yan term, no? Common, so 3. So, kung another amusement places, ang tax na nila is amusement tax. May 10, may 15, may 18, and 13. Sales of stocks by an investor. So, kung stocks yan, stock transaction tax. 60% of 1%. Okay. Kung IPO naman, ano siya, IPO tax, 4, may 2, may 1. Okay, which na-discuss natin before. Sa franchise naman, 3%. Premiums, kagi na-discuss natin 2, may 4, and may 5. For overseas communication tax, except some sila po 3 or 4 entities like government, embassies natin, exempted sila. So, kung hindi lang exempt, 10% ang tax natin. And lastly, winning tax natin. So, may 10, may 4. Okay? So, straight wager, 10. Meron ko sa mga regular bets nila or combination is that's 4%. Okay? We're going towards the end of this simple presentation of our handouts. Again, our handouts was based on this book, okay, by Rex Banggawan, Business and Transfer Taxation 2019. Okay. To continue, withholding of percentage tax at source. So, ang sale natin sa government or GOCC, okay, is subject to withholding tax na 3% at source. Mga government agency, mag-withhold sila mag-withhold ng 3% percentage tax and issues to the BIR form 2307. So, example ng government na kumbaga may silang withholding tax or may bayad sila nga like na-check-in sila sa Richmond, okay, for 2 days. Ang ibayad na nila, minusan nila sa 2%. Okay? 3% diba? The percentage tax. Tapos ang taxpayer, ang mabatong niya is BIR Form 2307. Amo na siyang support niya sa BIR in filing his percentage tax return. The same procedure is employed for withholding made by DSP on gross receipts of banks and quasi-banks. So, same ang mga procedure, ang government na issue sa ila sa Form 2307 worth 3% sa base amount, of course. No? Tapos wala ang present isang taxpayer sa BIR kung ga-file siya sa percentage tax return. Okay, to illustrate, during the quarter, si Mr. Avila, a non-VAT taxpayer, sold various office supplies to a government agency for 200,000 and two private customers for 80,000. So the sale, the government agency shall pay Mr. Avila the following proceeds: net of 3% final percentage tax. So total sales 200. So, ilas natin ang 3%, isang 200, that's 6,000. Ang net proceeds na mabato ni Mr. Avila from government nila na claim take is only 104. The percentage tax payable for the quarter shall be computed. So, kung mga obra si taxpayers ang yan na 2551Q, quarterly na BIR form, so, mali siya ang computation. So, may sale siya na 200, diba? 194, gina-gross up niya, di ba? Kaya ang nabato niya is 194 lang. So, gross up niya. Sir, paano nag 97%? Siyempre, net na siya sa 8%. So, gusto mo ikuha ng 100%. I-divide mo siya. Nakam up ka sa 200,000. Plus, ang sale to private customers, 80,000. Ayun, sa problem. So, 280. Multiply mo sa 2%. Ano lang balayaran sa percentage tax. So, kung may credit ka, tax credit, ano to, ang form 207 na i-issue sa inyo sa government agency na nagbakal sa inyo, of course, ng 200 na worth. Right? Di ba nang-withhold ang government ng 6,000? Pang-minus mo na sa balayaran sa percentage tax. So, net 2,400. Okay? Tax on other taxable sales of non-VAT taxpayers. The imposable percentage tax on taxable or receipts other than from services of non-VAT registered person is 3%. So, for example, si Blackjack na sa operator of 40 taxis with annual receipts exceeding 3 million. And a store with annual sales of not exceeding 3 million. So, how many yung sales and receipts during the month? Receipts from taxi units, 2 million. Sales of fruits. So, di ba fruits, ano siya, non-taxable. Okay. The receipt from taxi units is specifically subject to, ang 2 million. Subject na siya sa 3% common carriers tax. The sale of fruits, exempt goods. Okay. The sale of other merchandise is vatable. However, the same shall be subject to 3% general percentage tax since Blackjack is a non-VAT. Since non-VAT siya, nag-exceed siya sa 3 million, pero ang taxi, hindi na siya subject to VAT because hindi na siya subject. Common carriers tax. Assuming the annual sales of merchandise, kung ang annual sales niya sa merchandise yung exceed, that's the time na magiging subject sa VAT even if Blackjack is a non-VAT registered rate. Businesses with vatable sales exceeding the VAT threshold shall be subject to VAT in such sales. So, VAT is discussed in detail in the following chapters, no? Exemption from percentage tax. Okay. Mga exempted VAT taxpayers, okay, self-employed and professionals who opted 8% income tax and POP. So, you just memorize this, guys. Okay? Just to reiterate lang what's the meaning sa 8%, no? Income tax. So, SE, self-employed professionals. Under the income taxation, self-employed individuals, no, may opt, so may option sila, may tax sila sa 8% income tax, which is, nakabundle na guys. Nakabundle na ang 3% na percentage tax. Okay? No longer subject siya sa 3%. Yung nakabundle na yan. So, kumbaga naka 2-in-1 siya. Huwag ka na bayaran sa percentage tax. So, instead na 3, yung mo na lang nilang 8 regular income tax and the 3 general percentage tax. So, individual paying 8% income tax shall only file, ano lang yung file. There is no need to file sa DIR form 255-1P. Note also that the option to be taxed is not available to self-employed individuals or professionals if the taxpayer is specifically subject to percentage tax. Unless naka-specify yung subject sila sa percentage tax, okay, hindi available, hindi sila avail sa 8% na income tax, which is a bundled tax. Okay. Exemption of co-op from percentage tax. So, co-ops, exempted sila sa 3%. This exemption, however, is not absolute. Sales or receipts of co-ops outside their registered activities are still subject to business tax, similar to the business tax treatment of government and non-profit institution. Okay? I think that's it, guys, for the percentage tax, and this is a part 2 actually, no? Ang first part na to, we discussed it before, and this is the last part. Life insurance, number 7. Number 8 natin naging discuss. Where is it? Telephone companies on overseas communication. So there are exemption, high LI or horse race on winnings. Okay? And of course, we discussed summary sa ating na-discuss before. So, natapos na natin from banks down to franchise. So, dito kita nag-stop, no? Tapos, we just discuss ang life insurance, ang overseas communication tax, and mga amusement or winnings ng mga tax natin. Okay? I think that's it, guys, for percentage tax, and see you naman sa value-added tax natin session. God bless, guys!